Hey, what's up guys? Today I'm going to show you how I installed the $38 eBay door bags on my 2016 YXZ. This is the door bag itself. Comes with a nice little knee pad, a little pouch for whatever here, real zippers, put whatever you want inside of. Also comes with this cool little, probably for Red Bull, Michelob, water. One thing that lacks on the YXZ is cup holders. The back of the door bags has these Velcro strips. And the first thing I done was peeled them off. Then I positioned the bag where I wanted it on the door itself. Just let the Velcro holding it up there for me. I then took a 1/4" drill bit, centered in one of the eyelets. Drilled me a little hole into the door panel. Then got me some 1/4" pop rivets. Install it into the hole. Now we'll repeat this process. I think it has 5 eyelets all together.